Hey there, welcome to Newsstream TV, happenings across the globe at your fingertip. Do well to like this video by giving it a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
It came to my knowledge that there is a charge that had been fraudulently preferred against me before a court in Ekiti State at the instance of Chief Afe Babalola. This charge had been fraudulently preferred, hidden from view, and the court had purportedly demanded my presence multiple times, and I had failed to appear before this court. And this court had then proceeded to issue a bench warrant for my arrest. This is classic Afe Babalola. I detailed his corruptive influence in my book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. And what he has done is exactly what he has always done in hiding, but he has done it this time again. And the calculations were that I would have been picked up, taken before this judge who must have either been compromised or misled in Ekiti. And I would have been remanded in prison custody for being somebody who was meant to face trial and who had refused to bring himself to court. I am reliably informed that social media influencers had been paid to spin these narratives after my arrest. Human rights activists have been positioned to start speaking after my arrest, including one Agbaya. High offices in this country have been compromised in pursuit of my person. High offices, from the Inspector General's office, because the police have been subverted. The Attorney General of the Federation needs to examine himself because his office has been somehow linked to this as well. I do not know if the presidency is directly involved in this, and I will not make frivolous charges. But high offices have been subverted in pursuit of a criminal purpose. I have committed no crime, done nothing wrong. If I have committed any wrong for which the state requires my attendance in a court or at a police station, they know exactly where I live. I will live only once. I will not live cowering to any man. Let us be clear. If and when I have a charge to answer before a court, you all...
False and malicious. Afe Babalola law firm partner Ogunwumiju, San, sues Farotimi for 500 million naira for over alleged libel in the book. I laugh. So the one that your guy has sued him for is not enough. The 50 million naira that they say you should pay is not enough. You two want to sue him for 500 million naira. You want to show your face. You want to show yourself as his partner. Because all of you are corrupt. It must be meant. It must be malaria. Serious malaria. Go and use your drugs. You want to sue him for libel. I beg, go and sit down. Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Kehinde Ogunwumiju, has filed a 500 million naira lawsuit against lawyer and author Dele Farotimi over allegations of judicial corruption made in Farotimi's book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice. So all of you should come out now and start suing him. And as you have sued him for 500 million, another person in your Afe Babalola whatever should also come outside and sue him. All of you should come outside and sue him. Because I don't understand this thing that you are doing. You are suing him for 500 million naira. For what? For what? Because you know that story now, probably they will still see your name in the book. You want to cover up for yourself, but you don't know that you are making him more popular. Why would he pay 500 million naira? Why? For libel. Libel. According to court papers obtained by this newspaper, Kehinde Ogunwumiju, a senior advocate of Nigeria, San, and managing partner of Afe Babalola Co, is suing lawyer and author Dele Farotimi for 500 million naira. The suit number FCT/AC/5372/2024, filed at the High Court of the FCT in Abuja, accuses Farotimi of making false, mischievous, and defamatory statements in his book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. Ogunwumiju, who was conferred with the rank of San in 2017 and the National Honor of OFR in 2023, claims excerpts from Farotimi's book depicted him and his law firm as unethical lawyers who bribe judges and manipulate the judicial system. Did he lie? Did he lie? He did not lie now. He did not lie against you. You know in your heart that it is the truth. The suit alleges the book, published in 2024, accuses Afe Babalola Co of compromising the integrity of the Supreme Court, scheming with crooked lawyers and incompetent justices, and doctoring a Supreme Court judgment. He did not lie, because obviously that same thing that he said is playing out already. It is playing out now. They refused demand bail. They said they should pay 50 million and they still kept him in custody. Oh, do they think he doesn't have the money? So obviously, you people are everything that he said you are. Everything that he has wrote in his book is the truth. Beyond the monetary damages, Ogunwumiju is asking the court for an order compelling Farotimi to apologize in 2 national newspapers. Hi God, these people. And halt further sales of the book. So the apology, what is he going to do? He's going to erase the thought of the book in people's mind. The book has gone farther than you can imagine, so just forget about it. And halt further sales of the book, which is available in Nigeria and internationally on online platforms like Amazon. The senior lawyer says the book's false claim has cost firm clients and damaged its professional reputation. Hey, yeah, sorry. You should have known before involving yourself with that kind of a man. So is it not better for you to go and look for another law firm? Say that he should come and pay 500 million naira. For what? The words complained of are not only false but also malicious, reckless, and defamatory. The court's filing states Ogunwumiju denies any wrongdoing and maintains he has never been involved in judicial corruption in his nearly 2-decade legal career, which has included representing high-profile government and corporate clients. Described in the suit as one of the most distinguished legal luminaries of his generation, Ogunwumiju is a member of the Nigerian Bar Association Executive Council, a fellow of the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators UK, and has headed Afe Babalola's Abuja's office since 2012. Farotimi, the founding partner of law firm DF Legal in Lagos, reiterated some of the book's claims during a Channels TV interview in August. According to the suit, he could not be reached immediately for comment as he is appearing in court today in Ekiti. A date for the hearing suit has not yet been scheduled. It is well. I really just hope that they release the man, because all this going back and forth, you are seeing him for 500 million, you are seeing him for 50 million, you should seize his book, you should stop royalties from coming in. All of you are corrupt. People are just scared and angry that he has exposed your secrets. He has exposed your secret. Everybody now knows you for who you are. That is why you are angry. James Danjuma says, let all of them go to their corrupt court and judiciary to sue Dele Farotimi because they believe judiciary is in their armpits. Dele has exposed their deal already. Yes, so whether they like it or not, everything that they do right now, everything that they are trying to do, is just to further buttress the points in the book. And so they should be careful of the things that they do, because they are giving us evidences. And that evidence that they are looking for, they are already giving it to us on a platter of gold. He has already exposed your deal. The book has gone far and wide, and I'm sure that people will still have it on their phones, as in it will be circulating everywhere. And once it gets on Twitter, PDF like this, just forget about it. Your secret has already been exposed. Instead of you to find a way to apologize and look for ways to amend your ways and listen to what he has said, that you people are corrupt, and try not to be corrupt again, but yet you are telling him that he will pay 500 million naira suits. I beg you. James Co said, all of you in Afe Babalola's chambers are crooks and evildoers. Before Uncle, if their owner is like that, what would you think? If the head is spoiled now, all the whole body is spoiled. So their head is already a bad person. So obviously, everybody that is in that company are obviously bad and corrupt, because he will be teaching them. And it is what he teaches them that they will do. And that's what I say, that all these things are generational. Like, I don't even know how to put it. Like, if once your head is bad, every other person that comes out is going to be bad, because that is what they are teaching them. To be corrupt, to collect bribes, to do this, to do that, just to make sure that you win the case. Do any kind of illegal things, just to make sure that you win the case. So he did not lie against them. God will punish all of you abundantly. You have corrupted the Nigerian judiciary, which is now in a mess. A total mess. A total mess. Ted Obi says senseless people everywhere. Some lawyers have vehemently continued to expose their ignorance. Go on. Go ahead. Charge and bail everywhere. Chidi Brown says Nigerian law and lawyers are the problem of this country. They are, including INEC. including EXCC, everything that just has see, all of them are the problems of this country, turning things up and down from nonsense angle. When sickness come upon them, no simple defense, too selfish to accept the truth. 2023 election clearly shows they are the problem of this great country. The one causes thunderstorm will destroy you. I cannot say amen because I don't understand. Chinedu says, putting the cart before the horse, foolish lasers, product of corruption by his master. Exactly. He learns from his master. That is why he's looking for 500 million. What do you want to do with the money? And listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.